Hello! We're just gonna do an unboxing of this car seat.
We're gonna do it.
One's gonna open it. Go get that thing!
Okay, go, let's do it. You wanna rip it? You want me to do it?
I want to do it.
Okay, do it.
Okay, you guys, go do it. Huh?
I'm kind of weak.
You know, you can do it. Me too. Oh, that's pretty tough.
Wow. Yay! Another little Canadian. The little van is coming soon. In a month. And it's called Granite. Wow.
Ready? The grand opening with the top.
Modern ride.
Modern rides. Okay.
Cute.
That's it. One,
It's...
two, three. Oh, it's light.
Is it?
Yeah. This is light.
Pretty.
It is pretty.
Wow, this is pretty. I thought it was gonna be a black.
That's only for the baby. You do the rest.
This is pretty grand.
There's after a year. Oh, be careful. After a year, you're gonna have to change that, no?
Yeah.
Okay, that's your turn. I'm not doing that. Ah.
This is
You
cute.
don't know supplement though, do you?
You know, you just have to insert that.
Put this in the seatbelt.
Yeah, in the back. You should check the review first on this.
The other review.
You have to, oh yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're doing the review. Okay, we're gonna insert the canopy. Where that goes.
Yeah, see.
Oh,
You didn't click? Are you saying click?
Oh, okay.
okay.
Oh, oh.
Did we do it the wrong way?
Maybe it
What are you guys doing?
We did it right way.
No, it's good.
You said.
Put it back and snap it. Snap
It's so soft.
Is it?
it here.
I want to touch it. And then there's a feet that you insert it in the car. You don't have to put the base. No, there's something like that on the back. I saw it. That goes up. They have to pull out something. Check it on TikTok.
Oh, this thing.
Oh yeah, that one. See, I told you.
It's going to go this way.
That's real facing then. That's how you do it anyway.
Is it really light?
Oh my God, be careful guys, okay? We're not getting that return. No, something easy.
Just look at the instructions.
Okay, you do that.
Yeah, I guess.
HIPAA or
Oh, you know what? Press the button from the side, I think. You just have to press.
Yeah.
Or
crotch pad.
maybe pull this thing, no?
Head and body support. Shoulder belts.
Oh, this too, look at this. Trying to figure it out. There's something to show.
Child,
One.
vehicle. To put the seat belt through. Put the lap belt through.
Don't you press the button, Amanda? The red one, what's in there? There's a red thing here.
Mom, you're in my video. Your bum is in my video.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that red thing to tell you if it's like in or not.
If it's inside and locked.
Yeah. Just let the button do it. Oh, I think maybe the side.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out.
Okay, this is just an unboxing. We don't know how to use it.
Okay, I got the canopy.
Cute though.
Shoulder pad.
I like the color, no?
Go get the stroller. You can put it on.
Yeah. Perfect. I like that color better than the black. That's called Nuna Pipa URBN Pipa, whatever. I don't know. What is that?
Keep the air. Keep the air.
Wait, what?
I don't even realize you're coming with the thing. It's so quiet.
Yeah.
And soft, no?
It's sponsored by Nuna. Just kidding.
You have to take that out.
Look, this one comes and the thing is like this. Beautiful.
Spoiled girl.
Beautiful. And it's here.
You need
This
that
is the
base, I
magnetic
think.
one, love. Let's see. The magnetic car seat.
Oh yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Cute.
I think you need that base, no?
put it. Wait. You took it off. Put it in front of the camera here.
Is it heavy for you? No?
No.
Good.
Move back. Okay. Car seat adapter. Whichever way you go. Such an easy click. And you put her in. Why is this locked?
Do the arms?
Oh, hold it like this. Hold this part. There you go.
And
That's it.
that's it.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
How about the front? The front side.
I'm gonna have to take this part.
No, this one shows so you can see when you're pushing the baby.
Yeah. So take the base part too off. Take the base part off.
What do you mean?
Well, you clicked in first. Take that part off.
Can't do that. Oh, I get this. Yeah,
Figure it out.
you have to practice.
How'd you do that?
Button.
Oh, you press these buttons.
Nice.
Put her around.
You turn it like this. Can you do it this way?
No.
No.
The other way, yeah.
Ah, so easy.
So cutie.
Oh, so cute.
How does this bring down?
I like it gray. Do you like that color? It's called granite.
Gray is cute.
No, that's cute.
Yeah.
I like it.
Black and gray always
Black
work.
and gray. Oh my god.
So cute.
She's so spoiled.
Wow.
Okay, now how do you
Too
install
far for me. I'm gonna push this down. It's big. Love it. Lily, come here. Stand right here. Stand right here.
What?
Stand right
Okay.
here. Wow. So cutie.
How do you open?
It looks so good. No, not now. Storage is full.
Nuna product.
I like it. I'm glad that there's. They were looking if there's a black one. What? Put this here. I could take this off. Sarita can be down there and then you can be up here.
What?
You have 2 babies already?
Do we have the bottom?
Look at that.
How do you put the rider? The other one.
Chill. Okay, now let's switch it.
Oh, I have lots of space.
It's not bad.
There's a lot of space for a second kid.
Yeah. Cool.
You guys are so expensive. Look at durable, no? Looks so durable.
This is nice though.
Mm-hmm. Pretty.
And then just put the light on.
Yeah, take a nap.
And the baby's sleeping already.
This has to sit.
2 kids.
Oh.
Well, 3 if you add the rider part.
Oh,
Just kidding, you can add
No,
it.
you can't.
You can.
you can't add the other one, no?
Not the lighter part.
No, it's perfect.
Wow, I love it.
Good. How do you put it in the car now?
Those yellow things go in the car seat thing.
Oh, yeah.
You know those little car seat bars? And you put those through.
Oh, wait, why? Why did you have to use this?
Yeah, it was given to you, so you need to do it. It was part of it.
I don't want to.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the penalty?
Open the car now? Open the car now.
Check it out.
Why not?
What are you doing? How do you do that?
So you pull these two together like this. You can't do it separately. See, it's stuck.
Oh,
Oh, I
that's,
guess you can.
that's for security, maybe.
I did it separately.
You just pull them together,
And you stick it in the car.
and that's it.
That's it.
Oh, how about you can stand that one to this side, this one. How do you put this down, this thing?
The handle?
Oh.
This every time should always be on top here when we're driving.
This?
That's another sense of security. This thing. At the same time. You gotta press the button at the same time.
Oh, everything together?
Yeah. This always is in front of her
Yeah, like that.
in the car. Is that all it goes? Really?
Really?
Everyone goes up that way. Should be across for her.
Guess that's it.
Yes, that's good. Yeah, we'll always keep it up.
Which one is the magnet, they said?
I'm trying to
Magnet.
pull it. I don't know how to pull it though. How do you loosen it?
Oh.
Shoulder straps. I'll leave that there for now.
In the beginning, that's what you're gonna use because the baby is like so small. And then later on, you can take this out. I saw it.
Yeah.
When the baby's
Oh.
bigger.
Yeah.
It's making me a memory of dining out.
Oh.
It does that. That's cool. You take memories.
Why does this not adjust?
What is it? Oh, you can adjust that to different things.
Make it higher.
The baby's big, right?
Yeah. I can't put it, but it's right here. That's what I did.
Oh. When the baby's big, maybe.
When you put this on, it's gonna hurt for your nails.
Huh?
You go like this. Together. Down.
Yeah, like that.
And then you push. I figured it out. You have to hold the whole thing. I can't just push like this. Hold the whole thing, Mom, and then you can push and take it out with your nails.
Okay.
What? I'm showing my mom
Okay.
with her nails.
Oh, look at the nails?
Yeah.
But then cut your nails.
No.
We're not cutting our nails.
Excuse me.
So funny.
No, but if you you make
in the
it
car.
make it this long, like if
This tightens the babies in.
oh yeah,
I
okay.
don't know how to take it less. Oh wait, there should be a button. There's usually a button.
Maybe use this button, no? Pressing this.
Loosen.
It's a pretty Nuna. Nuna car seat. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.